Gold prices take a dip in India. What's behind the sudden drop? Gold prices in India experienced a downturn on Friday, October 24, according to data from FX Street. The precious metal, often seen as a safe haven during uncertain times, saw its value decrease across various units of measurement. But here's where it gets interesting. This decline comes just ahead of crucial U.S. inflation data and high-stakes U.S.-China trade talks, leaving investors and analysts alike scratching their heads. The numbers don't lie. 1 gram of gold, 11,577.48 Indian rupees, INR, down from 11,630.14 Indian rupees the previous day. 10 grams, 115,780.80 Indian rupees. 1 tola, 135,052.90 Indian rupees, a decrease from 135,651.70 Indian rupees. 1 troy ounce, 360,102.70 Indian rupees. Global events shaking up the market. As gold prices fluctuate, the world stage is buzzing with activity. High-level trade negotiations between the US and China are set to kick off in Malaysia, with key figures like China's Vice Premier He Lifeng and US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent in attendance. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are scheduled to meet on the sidelines of the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit next Thursday. And this is the part most people miss. The Trump administration is reportedly considering restricting software-driven exports to China in retaliation for Beijing's rare earth export restrictions. Could this be the catalyst for further gold price volatility? The bigger picture. Gold's role as a safe haven asset and hedge against inflation is well established. Central banks, particularly those in emerging economies like China, India, and Turkey, have been stockpiling gold at record rates, with 1,136 tons added to reserves in 2022 alone. But with the U.S. government shutdown dragging on, U.S.-Russia sanctions escalating, and the Federal Reserve poised to cut interest rates, the global economic landscape is more uncertain than ever. The CME FedWatch tool predicts a 97% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut, which could further impact gold prices. Controversial question: is gold still a reliable safe haven? While gold's inverse correlation with the US dollar and risk assets is well documented, its performance during times of geopolitical instability and economic turmoil is not always straightforward. As the US dollar weakens, gold prices tend to rise, but what happens when multiple global events collide? We want to hear from you. Do you think gold will continue to be a reliable store of value in the face of escalating trade tensions, economic uncertainty, and shifting monetary policies? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's spark a debate.